I work at Starbucks in the mornings, and I work the drive-through. And the other day, someone came up to the window, and immediately they were like, "Oh my God, your smile is gorgeous," you know? And I said, "They're all fake." And they said, "It doesn't matter, they look amazing." And I said, "Harmon Dental Implant Center." Hi, I'm Lou Winstead, and I love my new smile. My old teeth, I did not like them at all. I mean, I felt like there was a beautiful smile inside of me, and I wasn't able to bring that out for people to see. I relied on humor a lot. I was in pain. I had a really bad overbite where my bottom teeth, when I would close on the back of on my back teeth, my bottom teeth would touch the roof of my mouth. I don't think it's supposed to happen. I've done all the work, cavities, fillings, crowns. You know, I'm spending this money, but there's no result. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're fixing stuff and I'm spending thousands of dollars, but there's just no result to it. Since I've gotten surgery, I think that I have noticed a confidence emerge in me, a genuine, honest confidence, you know? Not anything that is put upon or fake. It feels genuine, it feels honest. I'm gonna have to get out more, you know? So I can smile as big and be as happy as the dogs that I groom.
You're doing so good.
In my mind, it's like, oh no, you need to get out now, you know? I paid money for these teeth. I want people to see them. They're awesome. They're awesome. It's weird, you know, but yeah, I can eat whatever I want. I don't even think about it, you know? I always thought about it before. So I worked with Lori and Harmon Dental so I could get it financed. They were very patient and supportive, you know? And I mean, the minute that I walked in there, I had a consultation and I walked in and I knew that that's what I wanted to do. I was like, oh, that's what I want. Immediately, after I walked out of there and I was like, oh, I'm getting that. Dr. Harmon was funny and supportive, and his confidence made it easy. If you're watching this video and you are considering getting dental implants, you have TMJ, you have pain, you want confidence, you want a beautiful smile, I would suggest going to Harmon Dental and talking to Dr. Harmon and Lori. They're awesome. I'm happy that I chose them and they chose me. I'm loving my new smile for sure. I love it.